chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the ripples in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenesha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Bossmas Day 5, and I hope you guys are caught up on all of my previous videos. If not, girl, go watch them. But yeah, so happy Bossmas Day 5. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Coffee drinker or a tea drinker, or do you just like don't drink neither? And if you guys drink coffee, let me know. Do you like it like at home? Do you like to make it, or do you like it from Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or whatever, or McDonald's? I love McDonald's coffee. It just be so like sweet though, but I still love it. But this is what I use from Walmart. It's called the Donut Shop Great Value brand. They do have the real brand, but y'all know I'm cheap. And then of course my tea. I'm drinking this tea as soon as I get done with my coffee. That tea, literally, I don't even know why I never got it before. Like, this tea has been doing me good. Like, so good. Like, my stomach usually hurts when I wake up. It's just, like, I don't know. I have, like, a lot of, like, bloating issues and stomach problems. And this tea comes through for your girl. Like, literally. My mom, she's even about to start drinking it. She don't even like tea either, but she needs a good detox. Check out Teamy Blends, KRS30 for 35% off. But yeah, okay, let's get started with the video. What I'm doing today is, well, first I'm about to sit right here and chill, watch some vlogs from Vlogmas, and then I'm going to go in my office. I usually don't do this. I usually go straight to my office, but we are going to basically stock up my shipping supplies, like my shipping boxes, my eyelash boxes. I just need to organize a little bit because it's been hectic in there, as you guys can see. But yeah, so right now I'm about to just chill right here. This is my favorite spot, and we are going to enjoy this coffee and watch some Vlogmas. Y'all already know your girl got the onesie on. I wear these literally every day, y'all. Yeah, so right now I'm almost done with my coffee, and as soon as I get done with this, I'm gonna go in my office. So I wanted to show you guys these this ponytail that I got from Irresistible Me. And they have like different clip-ins, like ponytails, wigs, and all of that. So I've been really into like ponytails and stuff lately. So I'm probably gonna like do my hair either tomorrow or Saturday or whatever. And I'm gonna do a ponytail, like I'm really into ponytails. But I wanted to show you guys this ponytail that they sent me. And their packaging is really, really cute. And this is perfect if you have like straight hair, or if your hair is like fine or whatever, and you just want to add like more thickness into your hair or whatever. But this is a straight ponytail. Let me take it out the package. Oh, this is how to come packaged. You can order this bag separately so you can store your hair in it. The hair did come with this net to protect it, but I took it off so I could look at it and stuff. But I'm going to take it out the package and show you guys. This is the ponytail, and this ponytail is going to look so cute. I think I'm going to do my hair, maybe, I don't even know if I'm gonna do it tonight or tomorrow, but it comes with this little cute clip at the top, and then it also comes with this wraparound bow, so you can easily just clip this in on your ponytail and then tie. I'm gonna straighten my hair and use a hot comb, so this should be perfect. But it's really, really long. I think this would be cute in like a back ponytail. Y'all know how those girls be having those real sleek ponytails, and the bundles be like this, and it be real long and straight. I think I want to do that. So I'm going to try to book me a hair appointment, or I'm going to either do it myself. But girl, straightening my hair is a struggle because I have like really thick hair, natural hair or whatever. But it definitely gets really, really straight. Okay guys, so I wanted to move in here because it was better lighting. And I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the hair. So this is a close-up of the hair. It's real human hair, not synthetic. And I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the clip. And you would just clip that on and then wrap it around your ponytail, or just fold it like a regular bundle. Y'all know how we usually have our ponytails and we wrap the tracks around. I like this because you won't have to do that, so it'll probably look a little bit more natural. And then after I do that, I would just take a piece of hair and wrap it around this part so it won't show or whatever. This is 20 inches, so it's gonna go really, really long. And yeah, it looks really, really natural. I really like that, and the ends look good. This looks like great quality hair, like great quality. Thank you so much to Irresistible Me for sending me this cute ponytail. I cannot wait to wear it. Like I said, I think I'm gonna take my hair down now and then actually do it or whatever, but it's gonna take some time, so y'all might see that in tomorrow's video or Saturday, so we're gonna see. But stay tuned to see how I wear this hair. Use the code in my description box for a percentage off, and also you can use the link. Close up of the ponytail. It looks very, very natural, sleek, and they have different like styles and densities or whatever. So if you guys want something thinner or thicker, if you guys want clip-ins, girl, they got everything on there. But I just wanted a ponytail, so I got a ponytail. I definitely need to order some more boxes. As y'all can see, I barely got any left, so I have some more orders to do.
And having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the ripples in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss.
So I am using this beard tint. On YouTube, everything, y'all know that this works great for tinting eyebrows, and a lot of girls use it to tint their eyebrows. But I would do a test patch to see if you're allergic or how your skin reacts to it. Here is my eyebrow. I'm gonna start with this one. If you guys are new at tinting your eyebrows, you can use some type of like oil or something to like put on the skin part so you don't get tint right there, but I usually know how to do it or whatever, so I'm not gonna do that. I like to start like towards the end just because it's more sparse there. Oh wow, this is not even at all. I'm gonna go back in and fix this because like this one is down further than this. I never mess up like that. They're super dark like the first day or two, and then they go down, so I'll show you guys what they look like tomorrow. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with how my eyebrows look. I usually do them really, really good. I don't know what happened tonight, probably because I was trying to record and my ring light was messing up and I got tint everywhere. Girl, I don't know, but I'm gonna keep you updated with how they look. Today's code is KDK, so use the code KDK for my free webinar replay. So it's only valid for one person. Congratulations to whoever receives it. Thank you guys so much for watching all of my Boss Miss videos, and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys appreciate my webinar replay, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, boss friends. Bye.
Having a good time.